I put things on boards so I can move them if I need to, otherwise you can't lift them off the silicone mat without moving your patterns and designs. So these take probably a good 3 ounces each, and I don't have that much resin, but if I can do a first layer I can usually then put a clear coat on top. So let's do, I'm going to do a white in here, but just a little bit of white, and I might just do 2 of these, so I'll probably just have enough to do maybe 2. So this will be the white. We'll use the same, we'll do the white. It'll take very little color to just do a floral pattern. So we're going to move these away. Do one little drop of ultramarine blue. Put a little drop of blue into the berry. So it's a purple blue, hopefully. Well, that made it very blue. So let's go with another drop of berry, or 2. I'm going to put white into this one to lighten it just a bit. 1 drop in here. You see how it will go from a clear, transparent, vivid color to more of a pastel just with 1 tiny drop of alcohol ink. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of this into the blue because I want them to get them a little closer to where they look like they work together a little bit better. That's more like a, get it more like a periwinkle. So these are Brie Reese alcohol inks. I'm going to stick a drop or 2 of white into the white as well. Then just for a little shimmer, I'm going to put a hefty scoop in both colors. Again, that doesn't lighten them, but it'll give them a little shimmer. I'm waiting on these to warm, so I'm just going to keep stirring and waiting. This is Chunky Glitter Recollections Lagoon from Michaels. This says chunky glitter, but I don't consider it chunky. It's really more of a fine glitter. Just my opinion on that. But it is wanting to spread. This one not so much. It's a beautiful color though. So just alcohol inks and a little bit of white pigment and sparkle white. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just going to take these out. They're still a little bendy. It's shifted a bit, but it's pretty. Pretty. These could also be bowls. So I'm going to leave these overnight. I'll be back.